Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I really do love you guys, and thank you so much for the support and the likes and the comments and subscribes. Thank you so much for supporting me, watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching it and going out of your day to watch it and being here with me today. So we hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's actually really chilly out today. So we're gonna start with okay. I'm gonna start with this deck. Just give me a second. Green Witch, Tarot Companion, and Mora. I never use this deck. It's one of the decks I start using. If you could see all the decks around me, it's hilarious. It's a amount of decks. I like get them all ready so I can just grab them and like they're very organized, but it's like a deck, like a wall of decks. Alright, let's see what Spirit has today. So we have the Earth Mother. So this is definitely the Queen of Pentacles. Look at the details in these cards, guys. Queen of Pentacles, very stable, very financially abundant. You work very hard for your money. You could be an Earth sign, Taurus. Very beautiful. You could be pregnant or like giving birth to new ideas around you. You're very stunning. I feel like, oh, okay. I just got something. So you see how the ducks are all around her and they're like surrounding her legs? I feel like lots of people flock to you because of your energy. Your energy is so magnetic, people literally flock to you. People love being around you and your energy being around you, just hanging out with you because of your energy. Very magnetic, very healing, very nurturing, very naturally gorgeous. Tauruses have really nice hair, so you probably have really nice hair. I have lots of Taurus friends, and I'm a Taurus. They either have like really nice hair, or like they like people with nice hair. Naturally gorgeous. Alright, let's see what else. Number 3 could also have something a meaning to you. The Holy King. This is like the High Priestess kind of energy. Very intuitive, very aware. You definitely illuminate situations that people have no idea about because of how intuitive you are. You're quite brilliant, actually. What else do we have here? The witch. Okay, so this is like a high priestess as well. This is a hierophant. This is a man that's like very intuitive, very aware, very spiritually aware. And then this is a woman. Where'd my card go? This is a woman who's a high priestess, very intuitive, aware. So we have like a match here. Two people that are meant to be together because they're so intuitive, they're actually aware of each other. And they belong to each other. Knight of Wands. Somebody coming in and trying to talk to you. Communicate to you. Somebody's trying to tell you how they feel. It could be like a fire sign, like an Aries. Five of Swords. This is somebody. Five of Swords. This is somebody choosing what they want and going for it. You see all these other options? And you see how he's like, no, that was not really it. This one, though, it's something else. So it's like, they're choosing to go towards you, towards this situation. They have multiple situations they can go towards, but they definitely see that you're worth standing out. There's something about you that draws them in because your energy, right? Your energy drawing them in like a flock of birds to you. I don't know if they know you're like drawing them in like a flock of birds. It's fucking hilarious. I can't right now. That's too fucking funny. Drawing them in like a flock of birds. Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious. That's too funny. I can't. Okay. Alright. Okay. Drawing them in like a flock of birds, I see. Alright. The crone. So Spirit is giving you the strength to help you in this situation, to help you come together. I feel like ancestors are also helping you come together as well in this situation. Nine of Cups. So this person has everything they could possibly want. Look at all these trophies or these cups that are filled, right? And then they're just missing their 10th cup. So they have everything they could possibly want and more. This person's stable, very stable, has money, has everything they could possibly want more, but they're missing their other half, their other cup. They're missing their other half. They have everything they could possibly want more. They're very happy, but they're still missing something, you know, longing for something more. I feel like you manifested this. Ace of Pentacles. You manifested this offer, this commitment coming in for you. This person could be, this person could also be an earth sign. You both could be earth signs. This person wants to offer you a commitment. He wants to give you his pentacle, whatever this is, so you can have a 10 of cups. Ultimate happiness and fulfillment. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, so he definitely wants to put into the situation with you and work together. Build a stable foundation. Stable, happy family. Everything you possibly want more. He's putting in extra effort to work together, to come together as one. Or should. I feel like there's like a lot of people holding this back, and that's why it's hard to come together. And I also feel like there's a lot of distance involved as well, because like you guys could live very far from each other, because look at this card. I feel like there's a big distance between you two as well, and that's why it's so hard for you guys to come together. But anything that's worth it, that's really worth it, isn't supposed to be easy, guys. It's gonna be hard, because in the long run, it was worth it. It was worth going the extra mile. It was worth it to receive everything you could possibly want more with this person. It was worth it to wait. Be patient. Alright. It was worth it to wait for them to come in for you. Because it's all of the waiting, all of the manifesting, all the loving that you've done on yourself and to others, it will all be put back to you as well. The Chariot. They're coming. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow. I don't know if this looks like your man at all. Okay. This is the Chariot. This means that this person is definitely coming in for you now and wants to make a move now. You're not waiting any longer. He sees that you are different than all of the rest. You're not like anyone else. Nobody can replicate who you are. Nobody can be you. Nobody has the energy that you do. That's why this person wants to come in and be like, hey, how you doing? Right? want to come in and communicate how they feel towards you, that they love you, that they want to be there for you. This person wants to give you everything you could possibly want more. And I feel like this person has been eyeing you for a very long time, and he's ready to come in and make a move, guys. Because we have, like, you see this peacock right here? He's, like, sitting in the background. So you see how he's, like, just staring at these guys? And he's just been there for a while. So I feel like he's been there a while, and he's gonna finally come in and make a move. He's been eyeing you, looking at you for a while, and he's finally gonna come in and be like, okay, now, I'm done just sitting here and not making a move. I'm ready to come in and finally make that action. Because I know she's worth it. Alright, guys. We're gonna do an oracle card as well. And the funny thing is I usually, like, never do this deck. Right? But I really like the details today. And I like that card, the cherry card as well. So, I always do oracle cards. So, we're gonna do, this is the, can't even think. Believe in yourself, believe in your own magic, Amanda Lovelace. Okay, so, alright. I always shuffle these decks before I start, by the way. So we have flower. Be honest with yourself. So I feel like this situation coming in for you, the reason you're receiving it is because you have been very honest with yourself, all of your flaws, everything that you know, everything that's not perfect about you. You know it, you work on it, and you try to improve it every day. But there's certain flaws about us that we can't improve, and we're gonna have to learn to love about ourselves, and then also nurture as well. Some things we can't change, right? And we just have to try to heal ourselves from the pain that has caused us in the past. Okay? And you've truly been honest with yourself. And all of those little awful things that really, really hurt you in the past have now turned you into this beautiful butterfly that you are, guys. Alright. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Please comment. Please share. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye, guys. Please like. Thank you so much.